Hey, what's up, Bitcoiners? Welcome back to the culture of Bitcoin. Today we're going to take a deep dive into how you can buy Bitcoin through an exchange, whether they're in Australia, the United States, or any other country around the world. Buying Bitcoin through an exchange is a popular way for people to invest in this revolutionary currency. But with so many exchanges out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of buying Bitcoin on an exchange step by step. Step 1, choose an exchange. There are hundreds of exchanges out there, but not all of them are created equal. When choosing an exchange, look for one that's reputable, secure, and easy to use. Some popular options include Coinbase, BTC Markets, Binance, and Kraken. Step 2, creating an account. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account. This usually involves providing some basic information like your name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Step 3, verify your account. Most exchanges require some form of identification verification before you can start buying Bitcoin. This may involve providing a photo ID, proof of address, and other personal information. This is a necessary step to ensure compliance with anti-money laundering and know your customer, or known as KYC regulations. Step 5, buy Bitcoin. Once your account is funded, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Navigate to the exchange's trading interface and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. Remember to consider the current market price and any fees associated with the transaction. Step 6, store your Bitcoin. Once you've bought Bitcoin, you'll need to store it securely. You can do this by transferring your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet like a Trezor or Ledger that I personally use. Make sure to keep your private keys safe and secure, not your keys, not your Bitcoin. Step 7, monitor your portfolio. Finally, if you choose to monitor your portfolio regularly to keep track of your Bitcoin's value, that's your choice. I personally choose to stack and hold. You can use cryptocurrency tracking websites like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to monitor the price movements. This will help you make informed decisions about when to buy or sell your Bitcoin. That's it. Buying Bitcoin through an exchange is a straightforward process, and now you know the steps to follow. Remember to always do your research, stay informed, and stay secure when investing in Bitcoin. Thanks for watching The Culture of Bitcoin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, Bitcoin is the one thing in the universe that you can truly own. And Bitcoin is for everyone. This script provides a general overview of the process of buying Bitcoin through an exchange. The specific steps and requirements may vary depending on the exchange and country you're using. Always do your own research and follow the instructions provided by the exchange to ensure a secure and successful transaction.